Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear calculator history on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you have an iPhone and the iPhone is currently running on the latest iOS 18, now you want to clear all your calculator history, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now, to clear your calculator history on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the calculator app. And once you open the calculator app, click on the menu icon at the top left. Then you should see this menu pops. On the menu, locate and click on clear at the bottom right. And then all your history for the past days will be clear. You see, these are all my histories. Now, to clear the history, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on clear at the bottom right. Then you should spot that says all calculations will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. Then go ahead and click on clear history. Once you hit clear history, then you should see all the history clear, and then you should see no history. Once you see no history, that shows your history has been deleted or cleared on your iPhone calculator. Then go ahead and click on done. Then that is basically how to clear history on iPhone calculator. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.